Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we will talk about a new project called Stable Farms, okay? And as of right now, it is on pre-sale on PinkSale Finance. And as you can see here, it will be on pre-sale for the next 2 days and about 2 hours, okay? And as always, it's a good sign, you know, that we're looking for 100 BNB, and as of right now, they already got 129 BNB. So this could be a good hint that this project could be successful in the future, okay? So what is it? We are a startup UK hedge fund primarily focused on the derivatives part of the crypto space, where we have outsourced 5 proficient and track record verified traders, okay? So let me show you guys. That's what the homepage looks like. As you can see, they offer different things. For example, hedge funds. I mean, here they explain you what a hedge fund is. And let me go to Stable Farms. Stable Farms is an asset management company hedge fund that allows for stablecoin pools to be utilized as vehicles for yielding high returns for depositors by means of allowing the deposits investments to be allocated once every month to our fund managers and be traded along with their own portfolios to yield low risk, high reward strategies, with risk being mitigated by the following, okay? So an even distribution of assets over 5 managers, each with their own trading strategy, okay? Different risk reward ratio per manager to guarantee risk distribution mitigation. Largest portion of open position equating to the manager's own assets, so careless trading is removed from the equation. So to keep it simple, guys, they will have 5 different account managers, portfolio managers, and you give them their money, and so to say they trade with their own money and with your money, yeah? So it is in their interest to trade really good and to get a profit, okay? Here you can see 45% of the tokens will be on pre-sale, 20% for APY and farms, 7-day staking multiple, 40% listing and development, and so on, okay? Here you can see the roadmap. Staking, we will have our staking pools that will be eligible for 50% per week. Rewards for the ones who stake and lock up their tokens for 7 days or more. These pools will be activated for 45 days only and allow for our long-term holders increase the amount of tokens they hold, okay? So you can see the FAQs. Let me show you the app. So first of all, if you go to the app, you can select the chain. For example, on the BNB chain, it's called Stable Farms, so you can stake stable coins, okay? Here you can stake, for example, BUSD, USDT, and so on. And we can, for example, switch to Ethereum chain. There you can see you can also stake USDC, USDT, and so on, guys, okay? So here's the white paper. Let me give you a short introduction. I mean, let me show you what they are doing. Basically, they take your money, they take their money, they trade, and you get a percentage of the profit, and they also get a percentage, okay? Yeah, you can see 20% profit based upon holdings kicked back to the manager. So, okay, for example, if they make a profit for you of $1,000, they will get 20% of your profit, okay? As you can see, 20% of profit based upon holdings kicked back to the manager on all winning trades, okay? That means it's, of course, in the interest of the trader to make a profit. Otherwise, they will not get any profit from you, okay? From your money that they trade with. So it's, I would say the idea is good, but as of right now, I have to say, I have no idea who the traders are. They don't show the traders, but basically, there are also other platforms, for example, like let's say Bybit or Phemex, where they offer copy trading. That means you select a trader and then they will trade for you, and of course they will also get a percentage of your profit. But yeah, that's, so to say, a project, the Stable Farms project, that focuses really just on this, so to say, yeah. Yes, guys. As always do your own research before you invest your money in any project, okay? And yeah, guys, I'm just here to show those projects, no financial advice or anything like this. Just check it out if you want. And yes, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.